Diva Production.
Welcome back to the video. So this is just a video to let some of you people know how to put your car in park properly. So when I bought the car, obviously this is my first auto car. Every other car I've owned has been manual. So for me, I didn't know how to do this. For a week I was doing it this way that I'm about to show you, but that's not the proper way. Nadeem told me this is the proper way. Okay, so let me just start the car. Put the ghost in, one sec. We are on. Okay, so the way to do it, it's in park right now. The handbrake is on. Okay, you see it. Ooh, focus up now. Handbrake is on. Okay, you see it there. Yeah, there we go. Okay, now the way I used to do it is let go of that. Say I'm driving, I'm in drive, right? I park up and then I put it in park. And then I let go of the brake, and then I was like, oh, okay, I need to put that back on again. And then I was activating it. Okay, this is the wrong way to do it, right? This is not the right way, because when you put it in park, it's just held in by your transmission. Now it's okay, and my driveway is a bit of a slope, but not bad slope. But say for instance, if you're on a big hill and you just put it in park and you don't do the handbrake, the transmission is just holding it at a hill. Okay, and say you got that 4-man in the car and you got a weekly's worth of shop, that's a lot of weight for the transmission just to hold it into park. Okay, because the brakes won't activate when you're in park. Okay, so I'll show you how to do it properly. Okay, now when I take it off, you'll even see, I'll hold it now just like that. All I'm gonna do is push this down, okay, and watch the brake. It'll lift back up. Okay, I don't know if you saw that properly, but this is the real way. Okay, you're driving now, you park up, you put it in park, don't let your brake foot off. Okay, now when all I'm gonna do, my foot's still on it, I'm gonna just pull up on this. Okay, don't let go of the brake. I'll try and capture it. Watch this. I won't be pressing down, that's why my foot's like this. Watch it go back. You see it, it went down. Now the brakes are holding it. There's no transmission holding it. There's no stress, there's no nothing. So that is the proper way. Obviously I never knew this. For a week I was doing it this way, just putting it in park and just fucking leaving it there. And then Nadeem told me, he's like, nah, don't do that. Do it all in one. Put it in park, then activate that. And yeah, so there's that one. Thank you.
I'm a different kind of chick.